If you want to block players in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, all you have to do is launch the game on your console or your PC and access the Call of Duty homepage, and then choose the Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Now from this point, simply press the menu button on your controller and then navigate to the launcher menu option by using the R1 or the L1 button. And this is how it looks like. So all you have to do is within the launcher menu, select social. Now within the social section, find the friend that you'd like to block. So scroll through and find the friend that you'd like to block. So let's say this particular player. Simply select on them. And then from the options that appear, you can scroll down and find block player. So select that, and then you should see this warning. Are you sure you want to block this particular player? This will also remove them from your friend list. To block the player, simply select block player, and you should see a notification setting here, or a notification saying that that particular player has been blocked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.